Are you also having startup issues with your Intel Mac? Well, today I am going to show you how to fix them. I am going to show you how to reset your NVRAM on Intel MacBook. Most of the time NVRAM Reset fixes your MacBook startup or hang issues. So let's get started. First, click the power button to turn on your Mac, and as soon as you hear the chime, press the keys Command, Option, P, and R. Let me show you. This will take a while. Till then, we will see what is NVRAM. NVRAM, or PRAM, is a small amount of memory that your Mac uses to store and quickly access certain system settings such as sound volume, display resolution, startup disk selection, and time zone. Now back to the process. You will hear the chime 3 times. Then release the keys. And it is done. Thank you for watching this video.